The color I'm going to use today is called First Snow by Uber Chic Beauty. It was a limited edition polish. I got this on Black Friday, so it was actually pretty inexpensive. Looks like it's going to take a few coats to build up to full opacity. Now I'm going to paint on a simple polar bear. So basically I'm just going to do a curved white blob right here. Does not have to be perfect. There we go. Then with a dotting tool, I just make 2 ears. There we go. I'll just wait for that to dry. Next, I'm going to take a light pink for the inside of the polar bear's ears. Okay, that looks good. And now I'm going to put on 2 eyes. Okay, that looks pretty good. One looks a little bit bigger. Okay, that looks good. Got 2 eyes on there. And now for the nose. The nose be right here. There we go. Perfect. Now that it's dry-ish, I'm going to put Smudge Free by Maniology over the top. It's not only works well for stamping, it also works well for drawn on nail art like this so that you don't smear the colors together. So I'm going to wait for that to dry, and then I'll put on my favorite fast drying, long lasting top coat. Once Smudge Free is dry, then I can add my favorite top coat, and with no fear of smudging the polar bear. Here is the finished Mani, and that polar bear is super cute and super easy. I hope you like it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe for more easy nail art ideas coming up. And thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.